Welcome to Car Culture, your go-to destination for everything automotive. Today, we're diving into the alluring world of the Ferrari Roma 2025. This stunning Grand Tourer perfectly encapsulates Ferrari's philosophy of combining timeless design with exhilarating performance, redefining modern luxury. Exterior: the Ferrari Roma 2025 is an embodiment of minimalistic elegance. Its sleek, flowing lines and sculpted surfaces pay homage to the classic Italian styling of the 1950s and 60s. The updated design for 2025 brings subtle enhancements, including a more pronounced grille with the honeycomb pattern and sharper, adaptive LED headlights that seamlessly integrate into the car's profile. The rear features quad exhaust tips and a retractable spoiler that not only adds to its visual appeal but also improves aerodynamics. Finished in Ferrari's iconic Rosso Corsa or range of bespoke hues, the Roma is nothing short of a work of art on wheels. Interior: step inside the Roma 2025, and you're greeted by a cabin that blends luxury with cutting-edge technology. The dual cockpit layout creates a sense of intimacy for both driver and passenger, while premium materials like Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber envelop every surface. The 2025 model introduces an upgraded 16-inch digital driver display and an advanced infotainment system with an 8.4-inch touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ambient lighting adds to the cabin's serene atmosphere, while ergonomically designed seats ensure maximum comfort during long drives. Ferrari's dedication to craftsmanship is evident in every detail, making the Roma's interior a true sanctuary. Under the hood, the Ferrari Roma 2025 is powered by a 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that delivers a staggering 612 horsepower and 561 pounds-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, the Roma accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds and reaches a top speed of 199 miles per hour. The 2025 update includes a refined suspension system for improved ride quality and handling, as well as Ferrari's latest side-slip control technology for enhanced stability. The Roma offers a driving experience that's both thrilling and refined, embodying Ferrari's commitment to performance excellence. In conclusion, the Ferrari Roma 2025 stands as a testament to Ferrari's ability to merge classic design with modern innovation. From its striking exterior to its luxurious interior and heart-pounding performance, the Roma is a Grand Tourer that commands attention and admiration. Stay tuned to Car Culture for more insights into the world of automotive excellence.